Hey there! Welcome to this VentoCart tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to install and set up your products. It's going to be a breeze, so grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. All right, let's get VentoCart up and running on your server. The first step is to head over to VentoCart.com. Once you're there, look for the download link, click it, and your download will kick off. Once your download is done, you'll spot a zip archive. Dive into it, and you'll come across a folder called Upload. Inside this folder, you'll find all the necessary files ready to be uploaded to the main directory of your web server. Once you're done with the uploading part, it's time to get the database rolling. Head over to phpMyAdmin or your web hosting's database manager to whip up a MySQL database. Let's get that sorted. Now, hop over to your website's URL and tack on a /install at the end. A form will pop up. Fill in the blanks with your database name, user, password, admin username, and password. Don't forget the rest of the details. Once you're all set, hit that install button and watch the magic happen. Now, let's stroll into the admin panel. Log in and cruise over to the left menu. Hit up Catalog, then Products. Now, spot that cool plus icon in the upper right, give it a tap. Type in a catchy title, spill some wisdom in the description, and don't forget the must-fill fields like SKU code and model. Head over to the Pricing tab to work your magic on the prices. Set them up just right. Now swing by the Links tab and pick a cozy category for your product. It's like giving your creation a home on your website. Smooth sailing. Now onto the Image tab, the spot to flaunt your product through images and videos. But hold on a sec. It's on lockdown until you hit that save icon. So make sure to save your new product first. Then dive into adding some eye-catching media. Ready, set, save. Behold our awesome new t-shirt. But hey, it's yearning for a little extra flair. Enter options. March over to the Options tab, and you'll spot an input. Fancy choosing from existing options? Go ahead. But for now, let's hit that Add New button. Up pops a window with language and option type selectors, plus a group name. If you're bilingual, fill in values for each language. Now, in the group name, type something snazzy like color. Right below that, you'll find an input called option #1 name and a cool plus symbol. Hit it for as many options as you want in that group. I'm going for 3, red, yellow, and black. Hit save and boom, options added. Hold up, we're not done yet. Now, shuffle back to the Options tab, unravel the accordion of options, and pick the one that needs a visual upgrade. Click on it, and voila, there's an image button waiting for you. Give it a tap to select a snazzy picture, say, for the black t-shirt. Feeling like tweaking more than just the visuals? No problemo. Hit the lock icon to unleash the editing powers, adjust the price, quantity, and anything else your heart desires. Once you've polished it up, hit save, and voila, your customized options are good to go. Not digging the order they're strutting in? Want that black t-shirt to be the grand finale and the red one to steal the spotlight first? No worries. Bounce back to the options, hover over the start of the option, grab that nifty black icon, and drag it around until it's in the perfect spot. Once the lineup matches your vision, hit save, and witness the magical rearrangement unfold before your eyes. Exciting times ahead. Now let's spice things up by adding another option group called Size for our t-shirts. Stay tuned for some variations, because guess what? Our red t-shirt in XXL is about to take center stage with a slightly higher price tag than the rest. Get ready for the grand reveal. Welcome to the Variations tab, your go-to spot for managing different combinations that create unique products. Got more than one option, and when combined, they birth distinct physical goodies? Or maybe you need to gracefully bow out of serving certain combinations, like that medium-sized black t-shirt that's now out of stock. To add a little variety, just tap on that trusty plus icon, toss in your desired values, and seal the deal with a click on Save Variation. Boom! Your new variation is now officially in the lineup. And there you have it, a quick dive into adding and setting up a product in VentoCart. I trust this video was a helpful introduction to the features and prowess of VentoCart. If you've got questions or something to share, don't be shy, drop them below. And of course, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to stay in the loop with our latest updates. Until next time!